Welcome to another data analysis problem. Today we have an interesting question regarding data manipulation with pandas. The problem we are facing involves combining information from two data frames, namely df1 and df2, to create a new column in df2 based on the values in df1. We need to match IDs and handle repeated entries in a specific way. It sounds like a challenging problem, but fear not, there's a solution for everything. Now, let's delve into the solution provided. The code snippet we are focusing on first involves merging and exploding the data frames to achieve the desired output. By assigning a cumulative count, merging on specific columns, and handling duplicates, the code efficiently populates the labels column in df2 according to the rules outlined in the problem statement. Continuing with the solution, the next step refines the output by displaying the resulting data frame with the ID, in, and labels columns. By organizing the data in this structure format, we can clearly see how each ID corresponds to the respective labels, while handling repetitions gracefully, ensuring a clean and informative dataset for further analysis. Moving on to an alternative approach within the solution, we explore using iterators, mapping functions, and clever list comprehension techniques. By creating iterators for each list in df1 and mapping the next available items accordingly, we achieve a similar outcome with a different implementation. This method provides a Pythonic way to tackle the problem, showcasing the versatility of pandas and Python in handling complex data operations. Finishing up our exploration of the solution, we see the final data frame with the ID and labels columns, showcasing the completed data transformation. By mapping the labels based on the ID values and gracefully handling exhaustive lists with none values, we arrive at a comprehensive and accurate representation of the combined data from df1 and df2. The power of pandas shines through in efficiently merging and manipulating data, making complex tasks appear simple and straightforward. In conclusion, we've successfully solved the problem of merging and populating data frames in pandas, showcasing different approaches to achieve the desired outcome. Remember, when faced with data challenges, Pandas provides a robust toolkit for data manipulation and analysis. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, pandas aren't just cute animals theory, also fantastic tools for data analysis.